Hello everyone. Welcome back to the session of English. In this session, we are going to continue with our chapter that is conjunction. This is part 2 of exercise. In this session, we are going to do some questions again based on conjunctions. So let's begin the session. Now we have already done exercise part 1. This is exercise part 2. So the first question is, the teacher said to the students, go through the notes as many times as possible lest you would fail. So in this sentence we can see, in the first part of the sentence it is written the teacher said. Till this part the sentence is correct. To the students, this is also correct. Go through the notes, it means read the notes thoroughly. So this part is also correct. As many times as possible, this is also correct because as and as comes together. Then we have list, and when we see this word list, it should immediately come to our mind that list means otherwise. And one more thing, we have already read the pair. List is paired with should, so it should be in our mind after we have read the concepts of conjunction, and we know this well. So list is always followed by should. But here in this sentence, it is written would, which is incorrect. So would should be replaced with should. So the sentence will be correct. Now the correct sentence will be, the teacher said to the students, go through the notes as many times as possible, lest you should fail. So this is the correct sentence. Now our answer is C, because the C part contains the error. So let us move to the next question now. Here we have one more sentence which is okay. Let us read this. Seldom or ever do I go out for movie with my friends. It means I rarely go with my friends. Now it is seldom, and as soon as I read this word seldom, immediately a concept came in my mind, that is, with seldom we use or, never, or, if ever as pair. Now we have to pair seldom with any of these two phrases, or never or if ever. Now in this sentence it is written or ever. Now can or ever be possible? No. It should be either or never or if ever. So this is to be replaced with or never, or we can use if ever. Both are correct. Now we can form this sentence in two manners. How? First is, seldom or never do I go out for movie with my friends. Next, second type, seldom if ever do I go out for movie with my friends. It means it rarely happens that I go to watch a movie with my friends. Well, let's move to the next sentence. No sooner was the agitation in Darjeeling silenced when the Bodoland activity in Assam erupted. Now look at this sentence very carefully. We have a word no sooner. And we know very well that no sooner is always followed by, first thing, the rule of inversion. The second error that can be formed from this part is that no sooner is paired with then, THA and then. Now let us see the sentence. No sooner was the agitation. So the rule of inversion has been followed. In Darjeeling silenced when. Now we know well that with no sooner we have to use then. So this when should be replaced with THA and then. Now the sentence will be correct. So our answer will be B, because B part contains the error. So our answer is B. Now the correct sentence will be, no sooner was the agitation in Darjeeling silenced then the Bodoland activity in Assam erupted. Well, let us move to the next sentence now. Not only he brought food but also medicines. Now we know well, whenever we use not only but also, the position matters. Now in this sentence, what did he bring? He brought food, he brought medicines. So these two things have been brought by him. Now, If we see this not only, so this is used for food, whereas but also used for medicines. But here not only, the position of not only is incorrect. It means it should come after the word brought. So here we have to use not only. Now the correct sentence will be, he brought not only food but also medicines. Now this not only has to be placed in A part only, and this is written in A part, that means it is incorrect. So our answer will be A, that A part contains the error. Well, let us move to the next question. 5 children aged between 10 to 15 years have been selected for the national competition. Now we have already learnt in pair conjunction that between is followed by and. Between is always followed by and both is also followed by and. Now when we have word from, it is followed by to. Now if it was written from over here, it should be from 10 to 15 years, but now it is written between. And between is paired with and. So this to should be replaced with and. And the correct sentence will be, 5 children aged between 10 and 15 years have been selected for the national competition. It means 5 children whose ages were around 10 and 15. It means it was between the age of 10 years and 15 years. So they might have been 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 14 years. So those children have been selected for the national competition. Those were 5 students. Now let us move to the next sentence. Here our answer will be B. So our answer will be B. Now let us move to the next question. Although these books are not very useful, but the students purchased them because their seniors did so. Now in this sentence, if we see although is a conjunction which is followed by yet, or we can simply put a comma. Now in this sentence, although these books are not very useful, but the students, now this but is incorrect over here. Because although is paired with yet. So this but should be replaced with yet. Or we could simply put a comma over here. So the correct sentence will be, although these books are not very useful, yet the students purchased them because their seniors did so. So our answer again is B. This B will be the correct answer. Now let us move to the next question. No sooner did I open the door when the rain, heavy and stormy, rushed in, making a shiver from head to foot. Now again the same thing, we have already read this in earlier sentences, that no sooner is always followed by THA and then, and the rule of conversion has to be followed, which has been followed in the sentence. So this when should be replaced with THA and then. So our answer is again B. B is the correct answer because this part contains the error. Now let us move to the next question. Be smart, not only in dress and also in action. Now we know well that not only always paired with but also. So this and also should be replaced with but also. Or you can say this and should be replaced with but. Now the correct sentence will be smart not only in your dress but also in actions. So our answer is this time C, because the C part contains the error. So C is the correct answer. Now let us move to the next question. It is not such a good book that I expected. Now I have already told you in the concepts that such is followed by either as or that. Now as shows examples and that shows the impact. Now here it is written, it is not such a good book that I expected. It means the book which I wanted, which I expected. It means I wanted some other book, but that is not this book. So this that should be replaced with as, because this shows an example that the book which I wanted, or the book which I wanted to read, is not this book. It is not that much good. Therefore, as should be written over here. This shows the example or the sample of that. But that shows the impact. Here, our answer will be C. Well, let us move to the next question now. The old woman has had the best medical facilities available, but she will not be cured unless she does not have a strong desire to live. Now, in this sentence, look these parts carefully. The old woman has had the best medical facilities available. Now, till here, there is no error. But she will not be cured unless, now we have a word unless. And I have already told you that after unless, we have two clauses. In the immediate after clause of unless, we should not have any modal as well as any negative word. Now, this is unless. She does not have. So, unless she does not, this does not is incorrect. Unless is itself a negative word. So, unless she have will be replaced with has. So, the correct sentence will be unless she has a strong desire to live. So the entire correct sentence will be the old woman has had the best medical facilities available, but she will not be cured unless she has a strong desire to live. It means a person should has desire to live. Only then he can survive. Now let us move to the next question. Bharat asked him that which the way was to the post office. Now, in this sentence, we can see in the second part, we have that and which together. Now, I have already told you that in indirect speech sentence, we cannot have interrogative word and that together. So, this that is incorrect over here. So, remove that. And the correct sentence will be Bharat asked him which the way was to the post office. So this will be the correct sentence. Now our answer is B, because this B part contains error. So our answer is B. Now let us move to the next question. Though she was sick, but she went to work. I have already told you that though and although are paired with yet. So this but should be replaced with yet. And the correct sentence will be though she was sick, yet she went to work. It means notwithstanding of her sickness, she went to work. So our answer is B. Now let us move to the next sentence. Because he is physically strong, so he was elected for the school boxing team. Now, because is a single conjunction. It is not paired with anyone else, any other conjunction. Now we have word because to state the reason. Because he is physically strong. So this word so is incorrect over here. Remove so. So our answer is B, because B part contains error. We cannot use because and make it paired with so. So now let us move to the next question. We are not sure if he is coming to the party. Now the condition is doubtful condition. In this case, when we say we are not sure, we cannot use if. We can use whether or we can use that. In this part, this if word is not correct. It should be that or whether. So B is the correct answer. Answer is B. That B part contains the error. Now let us move to the next question. India has no other claim in this race of development but equality of human resources. Now again the same thing, India has no other. So no other is always followed, no other is always paired with, or whenever we have word other, it is paired with then, not but. So this but should be replaced with THA and then. So the correct sentence will be India has no other claim in this race of development than her quality of human resources. So our answer is C. So the C part contains the error. Now let us move to the next question again. Such was his anger, is every attempt to pacify him failed. Now, if you remember, this sentence we have already done earlier as well. I have told you that in this case, it is written such, and such shows the impact whenever it is paired with that. So, such was his anger, that every attempt. So, that should be, as should be replaced with that. So, our answer is B, because here the impact has been shown. Such was his anger that every attempt to pacify him failed. So, this B is the correct answer. Now, let us move to the next sentence. When the match was going on, one part of the stadium collapsed because the event was going on. So, when should be replaced with while. So, our answer is A. Now, A part contains the error. Now, let us move to the next question. Now, these are some fill in the blanks. Dash joins two words or groups. So, it is written joins two words or groups of words and help to show the connection between them. Now, when two words or two sentences or two phrases or two clauses are connected with each other, what or which part of a speech do we use? Obviously, it is conjunction. So, our answer is A. That is conjunction. Now, what are the other parts and their uses? Now, interjection shows emotions. None of them is none of them. Preposition shows the position and place, indicate the position, place of time. Now, let us move to the next question, next sentence. We use dash to connect two similar ideas. Now, when we have two similar ideas and we connect them with each other, as I've told you that single conjunction further divides into two parts. Single conjunction can be of two types. One is coordinating conjunction, which coordinates two different things together, and one is subordinating. Subordinating means when like a junior or subordinates depends on their seniors. Um, so here in the sentence as well, one clause depends on another. That is subordinating conjunction. And in coordinating, when two equal things or two equal ideas they connect with each other, that conjunction is known as coordinating conjunction. Like we use and, but, etc. Now in this sentence we use dash. So what can be used? And. But and if are generally conditional. Though we can use but as well, but similar ideas. But connects to contradictions, whereas and connects to similar ideas. Now let us move to the next sentence. We use dash to connect two opposite ideas. Now we have two opposite ideas. As I have already told you, when two opposite ideas are there, when contradiction is over there, we use but to join them. So, and joins two similar ideas, whereas but joins two opposite ideas or the contradictions. Now, let us move to the next sentence. We stayed at home, dash watched television. It means we did some work, we stayed at home, and. So, these are two similar ideas, so it is and. Like, what have we done? So, our answer is A. Suitable conjunction over here. Because or shows the options but shows the contradictions. Would you like tea dash coffee? Now, tea and coffee are options, and you are offered one of them. So, either tea or coffee. So, it should be or, because options are there. So, or is correct word over here. So, our answer is A. Now, let us move to the next question. He didn't go to school, he was ill. So, here, some reason has been shown that he didn't go to school because he was ill. So, our answer will be because. Though shows the contradiction. If shows the condition. There is no condition at all. Now, let us move to the next question. I was tired. I was very tired. Dash, I fall asleep on the bus. Now, this is the cause and the effect. I was very tired. This is the cause and the effect of it. I fell asleep on the bus. So, in this sentence, a cause and effect is given. So, this is so to relate it. I was very tired, so I fell asleep on the bus. Now, let us move to the next sentence. Dash, we started early, we arrived rather late. Now, we started early, it means we must have reached earlier, but we were rather late. So, these are two contradictions that has been shown. In case of contradiction, we cannot use as, we cannot use because these are two reasons. Here we can use though. Though we started early, we arrived rather late. Though, although, these two words can be used over here. Now let us move to the next question. Let's wait. Dash, the rain stops. It means we have to wait till that time, up to the time the rain stops. So here the correct answer will be till. So our answer is A. If shows conditions, while shows another action that takes place when while something is going on. So here our answer will be A. So all these sentences were based on conjunctions that we have done. I hope you got them all. Thank you very much.